Hey guys, this is some more footage I found of my cousin's 74 Ducati 450. He got it restored last year, and when I was in Oklahoma visiting last time, it's in his brother's shop, or it was in his brother's shop over by Owassa. I just pulled the cover back and took a few shots of it. I really wish I'd have spent more time because it's a beautiful bike. My uncle Albert bought this bike new and rode it a few years, and then my uncle Irvin bought it from him. He rode it for a while, and then it just kind of got stuck over in a corner and sat there for several years. I'll get more details for it for the longer video. Cousin James got it and took it to a fellow that specializes in restoring Ducatis. I asked him if I could give him a shout out, and he's like, well, I think he's got more work they can do for the next 10 years, and he's a real private person, so I guess we won't talk about that. I think he did a great job. I mean, it's not a new bike, but it's awful nice. I mean, it's awful nice. I'll see if James has some before pictures too. I'm sure he does. It's got 8,000 miles on it and total, and it's not just a driveway queen. It gets scooted around on some. So anyway, wanted to post this. Thanks for watching.